Good morning. Welcome to another edition of the PulseWave Report with yours truly, Dex the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com. All right, so we have another day, another dollar. Que sera, sera, right? Well, the markets are still undecided. There's so much going on in the world today. The markets don't know what to do about it. They literally don't. Well, this morning we had retail sales that came out and it wasn't too impressive. And tomorrow we are going to have a few things come out. Today we also had industrial production and business inventories, and now we got the upcoming um, business inventories in the home builders index at 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time today. Then tomorrow we got the housing starts and building permits. And then we got the New York Fed President, John Williams, speaking, and the St. Louis Fed President, James Bullock, speaking. And then the Dallas Fed President, Rob Kaplan, speaking. And then the Atlanta Fed President, Raphael Bostic, also speaks. So that's what's going on tomorrow. Wednesday. Then on Thursday, of course, we got the initial jobless claims, and we got continuing jobless claims, and we got the Philly Fed Index, and we got existing home sales, and the index of leading economic indicators. So it's going to be a busy day. Then on Friday, the only thing we have is the Dallas Fed President, Rob Kaplan, and Kansas City Fed President, Esther George, speaking on energy. So that's what the docket is looking like today. Just to give you a little bit of a heads up, not too much going on that front, but enough to keep the markets kind of muted. We are down like 270 points in the Dow, which is nothing. We're basically trading in a narrow range. Okay, right now as I'm speaking, looks like the market's trying to take out the overnight lows and move a little bit lower. The only thing is, though, the Dow is down 313 points. The S&P futures are only down 26, and the NASDAQ futures are up 12 points. So they're up. Then Russell is down 19 points. So you don't have, like I said, a lot going on this morning. It's a mixed picture. Gold is still stuck in the mud, can't get out. It's stuck at 1885. It's having trouble, like I said, with that 1900. It's like silver's having problems with $25. It's at $24.56 as we speak. It got up to $24.90 an ounce and then just chilled right there. Crude oil is also stuck in the mud right now. That's because you got the expiring contract. The front month, we're going to be leaving the December contract and rolling over to 2021 contract. So crude oil goes off the books in 2 trading days, just so you know. Now, Bitcoin this morning is showing off. It's up another 215 bucks. We're at 17,110. I told you 17,000 to 17,500 was their next target on here, and we've already taken out the 17,000. Now we're headed up to the 17,005, which is the next target. Nat gas is kind of holding the line here. It's at $2.68. It hit 273 in the overnight. And the support in the overnight is at 267. And that's, like I said, that's pretty much it. Now, I'm sorry. Soybeans are on fire. Soybeans hit $11.74. Right now, we're up 19, man. So beans are definitely on fire. Everything else is, for the most part, quiet. Bonds are up 23.30 seconds at 172.20. So that is, interesting to say the least. Let's see. Other news. Amazon is now selling prescription drugs to Prime customers, and more common drugs will be available starting this coming Tuesday. Let's see. What else we got going? There's a lot to talk about. We still got the thing going on with the election. Of course, the news media has been complicit in trying to, black that out and not talk about it, not really deal with it. Let's see what else we got. That's pretty much it. It is a quiet day. I'm not gonna front with you. It is definitely a quiet day. It is not a whole lot going on. Um, there are some things I am working on that I would like to bring to your attention. Like I said, I'm working on it right now. But the one big piece of news I got today is we have a promotion going on. If you go to PulseWaveTrading.com, we have promotion going on. All right. If you type in the coupon code winning, you'll be able to purchase the Pro product which is our Rolls Royce product. You'll be able to purchase that for a substantial discount. Likewise, if you type in coupon code partner, you'll get the partner program also at a surprise price. You're going to be blown away when you see the deals that we got going on. We realize that COVID is really hurting a lot of people. They've lost jobs, and now we're locking down again for the second time. I know everything is really hurting people. So we have now made it easier for you to be able to break bread with us and to be able to do the things that you need to do. All right. So I really hope that you take advantage of it. If you go to PulseWaveTrading.com, you'll see it and you'll be able to take advantage of it. All right. So I just wanted to throw that out there for you. We do understand that people are hurting, and all you got to do to have some type of hope, I got you. Don't worry about it. I got you. I'll go ahead and put the link description into the live chat. If you click on that link, you'll be utterly surprised. Utterly surprised. All right. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, like I said, I'm in the lab. I'm cooking up something, working on a few things that I will be bringing to your attention in the near future. I do believe that this will be a blessing to a lot of people. I've been working on trying to put things into perspective for you, because I know there's a lot going on. It's a lot to, wrap your head around. So I do realize that, and I just want to be there for you so that you can have a shoulder to lean on, have a source where you can get reliable information in a timely fashion. So that's what I've been cooking up in the lab. Been working on a few things. So Lord willing, I can have it done today. That would be great. And then I can present it to you tomorrow. But in the meantime, the one thing I do have prepared for you, Frank and I worked very hard on this. And if you go and click that link that is in the live chat, you'll see what I'm talking about. I also put the link in the description if YouTube will let me. I know there's been issues with the algorithm. But if you just go to PulseWaveTrading.com, you'll see what I'm talking about. All right, let's see here what else we got. Right now, we got a few of the markets really, like I said, stuck, not knowing what it really wants to do. It's trying to work some stuff out, but it's just having a rascal of a time figuring out what it wants to do and what it needs to do. So I'm watching it for you. I'm sitting here at the helm, and all you got to do, if you go and you read today's reports, I think they will speak to you in a very powerful way. Because like I said, it's a lot of things that I have been cooking up in the lab and working on, and I think it's going to help to explain a lot of things for a lot of people. So I just want to put that bug in your ear and encourage you guys. I know what time it is. I know what's going on. I know that there's a lot of info hitting the news wires every day. Some of it is just fear mongering, and I know you realize that, but a lot of it is some truth too. So I've been wading through the water and peeling back the banana for you. And like I said, I hope to have something for you here shortly. I just like to cross my T's and dot my I's before I bring stuff out. So once I'm finished, I'll be able to present my findings with you, and then we'll take it from there. All right. So again, PulseWaveTrading.com. We got this. We got incredible deals for you. We got some coupons. If you type in the codes, you're gonna be all right, and you'll see it. Okay. There was one other thing. Let me see here. Give me just a second. Give me just a second. I'll find it. I know I'll find it here. Let's see here. Give me just a second. All right, that's it. I thought there was one other thing, but it's not. So that's okay. Hold on. All right, that's pretty much it. That's all I got. I know it's a short one this morning, but like I said, a lot of the markets right now are in a consolidated state, pulling back from the all-time highs. Normally, you can expect that. It's a normal market flow for markets to pull back just slightly, a little bit, correct off of those all-time highs, new contract highs. And then after the pullback, then the market takes off again, takes out the new high, puts in another new high, and then it can run for a few days after that. It can put in new highs like every day for at least a week, week and a half. So prepare you for that. I don't think the market's quite ready to roll over just yet. Like I said, I think the market has a little bit more juice left in the tank. And just keep in mind, too, markets like to hurt the most people that it can. It wants to hurt the most people it can. So you got bull and bear traps. All right. Well, with that being said, that's all I got. Remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I'm out. Peace.